You know that moment when a promising prospect from an accounting firm says yes and then disappears faster than your last coffee break? At Chartech, we've been helping companies like yours turn that maybe into a signed agreement for well over a decade. And in the next couple minutes, you'll learn how to map out your buyer's journey so you can stop chasing distracted leads and start closing more predictable deals. Here's the issue. You've got prospects who are frustrated, backups failing, vendors pointing fingers, IT issues just piling up. Yet when you reach out, you either get silence or it just stalls out. The gap between interested and committed is yawning. You're losing deals because your funnel isn't built for today's buyers. Now you're probably thinking, is this just about more outreach? Nope, it's deeper. Your messaging is generic, your follow-up is inconsistent, and your sales and marketing teams are living in separate boats, not rowing together. When you make a proposal, you throw in technical jargon and hope for the best. And when you win the deal, onboarding becomes an afterthought, and you've lost trust before the first service call even happens. And here's how it hurts you. Deals slipping, pipeline is stagnant, the revenue is just unpredictable. Your ideal clients don't trust you yet. You look like one of many providers instead of that one partner they're looking for. You're educating prospects on the fly, spinning your wheels trying to nail who you serve, and you spend half your day chasing leads rather than delivering results. Worst, you win someone and then you lose them to poor onboarding or zero follow-through. Clients drift, they talk to their peers about how it wasn't what they expected. That kills referrals and momentum. It's exhausting and it's unnecessary. Here's what fixes it. 3 smart moves. First, map the journey. Break it down into stages: awareness, consideration, decision, commitment, and advocacy. At the awareness stage, your prospect is thinking, we have IT problems, but what's out there? So you start with content, videos, articles, clear messaging tied to real pain points, aligning messaging and value in consideration and decision. When they're comparing you with someone else, you need to show value, not just features. Use case studies, ROI calculators, and sales discovery questions that dig deeper. Then when you present, keep it simple. Address the objections up front and use a same-day close strategy to remove friction, onboarding, and advocacy. Once they say yes, it's game time. Don't let the handoff to service be sloppy. Have a standard onboarding process, clear timelines, and keep communication tight. Then turn clients into champions. Schedule regular business reviews, highlight the wins, invite referrals, and when they see ongoing value, they become your marketing team. And when marketing and sales work as one, when each stage speaks to the prospect's actual mindset, when onboarding is prioritized, you build a repeatable funnel that actually converts. If you felt too many deals stall, too many prospects go cold, or you're just tired of that unpredictable growth, this approach works. I've seen MSPs make it happen when they focus on process, clarity, and alignment. If you want to dig deeper and get help building your own buyer's journey, and of course, want to know the ways Chartech helps MSPs like yours, click the link in the description, schedule a success call, and let's talk about how to turn maybe into yes.